Good morning, dear student. Today we will learn the virtual lab experiments. First step is open the Google and write down the V lab. The virtual lab is initiated by the MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource and Developments. That is objective of virtual lab. It is provide the bridging between the theoretical and practical aspects. So next step is go to electrical engineering, and next point is click to the virtual power labs. Virtual power labs, the experiments to study the gas actuated Buchholz relay for oil field transformers. The objective is to study the gas actuated Buchholz relay for oil field transformers. Equipment required is Buchholz relay setup, 100-watt lamp. This is the systematic block diagram of Buchholz relay. It consists of Buchholz relay consists of valve V4 and V5. Valve V4 used for the oil release from the Buchholz relay, and V5 is used for the air release from the Buchholz relay. It is connected to the control unit. Control unit consists of 100-watt lamp and buzzers. And valve V1 is connected to the transformer tank, and valve V3 is connected from the transformer tank to the reservoir, and reservoir is connected to the conservators, and this pump is provide the pressure to the transformer tank oil. When any internal fault occur or inside the transformer tank, the oils are coming from the reservoir to the conservator and conservator to the Buchholz relay. And Buchholz relay is connected to the control unit, and buzzer start to ringing. Means some internal fault or occur inside the transformer tank. Next point is simulations. Simulation of Buchholz relay for the severe faults. The severe faults means this Buchholz relay used for the oil field transformers, and it used for the protection of the transformers when severe fault or occur inside the transformer tank due to the overheating, due to any short circuiting, or any internal fault or occur inside the transformer tank. This Buchholz relay, that is it is indicate the level of transformer tank. Level is 100 ccm, 200, 300 or 400 ccm, and it is connected to the trip circuit. This is valve V4 and V5. Valve V1 is connected to the conservators, and Buchholz relay is connected to the alarm circuit, and valve B2 is connected from the Buchholz relay to the transformer tank. Valve B3 is connected from the transformer tank to the reservoir, and this pump is provide the pressure to the transformer tank oil, and reservoir is connected to the conservators. Initial conditions: V1, V2 and V3 valves are off conditions. The first step is close the valves V1, V2 and V3. The first we are close this valves, that is Buchholz relay is connected to the conservators. Next, this valve V2 is closed, means it is connect transformer tank is connected to the Buchholz relay. Next step is close this valve is open, and again close the valve V3, that means transformer tank connected to the reservoir. This is level is 89, 90. That is alarms are indicate the green signal. Means no fault or occurs. When fault are exceeding more than the 100 ccm, these alarms are indicating the red signal. That is blinking of alarms, red signal. That is some internal fault or occur inside the transformer tank due to any reason. It may be overheating, it may be any fault due to short circuit, due to any fault are generated inside the transformer tank. So means alarms are indicating means we have required to remove the faulty and unhealthy or healthy portions. That is indicate we remove the fault in the transformers. Tank is empty at 45 ccm. Means transformer tank is shifting from the reservoir to the conservator to the Buchholz. That is the conclusion of this experiment is with transformer Buchholz relays provide the protection of transformer oil-filled transformers. Buchholz relay used for the protection of transformer tank oil. So this is the conclusion. Means this is red signal indicates some internal fault occurred inside the transformer tank. Then we have required to remove unhealthy and healthy portions. Thank you. Thank you.